Hi, it's Richard here from the OPA Hub website. And today I'm going to take a look at an educational example that we've just covered in one of our posts. You'll find the reference to the post in the comments. First of all, a tour of the project in question. We have 5 very simple attributes: a customer name, latitude and longitude, which we'll use to collect the location of the user, cargo value, and the client's incident type. The incident type is a value list made up of 4 values: accident, flood, fire, and other. And as you can see, it's very straightforward. In the interview, we're going to collect the client's name, the value of the cargo, and the incident type. At the same time, we're going to collect the user's location. Once we have this information, and we click the next button, we'll go to the map page. As you can see, this map page includes a container, and in the container are a variety of labels displaying, for essentially debugging and reference purposes, the information that we just talked about. And there is also a label which is a custom, which is a label which will be transformed using the custom label extension. We've added a single custom property, namely a name called XMap. Behind the scenes, when we visualize this screen, we will be running a piece of JavaScript code, and this JavaScript code will load Google Maps. Please don't use my API code, even though I've managed to hide some of it. Once we've loaded the Google Maps API, we will go ahead and obtain the latitude and longitude from OPA. Then we will take the 4 types of incident and map them to Google Maps icons. So these icons are actually standard icons that I have downloaded, and you could use any icons, of course, and the only reason I have 4 here is because they map to my 4 value types. And without going into too much detail, you can see that I'm going to call Google Maps, and I'm going to use the latitude and longitude, and it's going to be a zoomed out roadmap. Once we've got that, we will go ahead and load the icons, and we will stick one icon on the map at the location of your browser, and we'll add a click listener so that if you click on that marker, we will open a small dialog, and in the dialog you will see some information about the accident type and the customer's name. So what does that actually look like as an educational example? I'm just going to refresh this. The client's name, I'm going to put in Pete. Value of the cargo, will say it's a very expensive cargo, 12,000 currency units, and we'll say that it's an accident, and we'll click next. We're in debug mode, so the embedded browser is returning the address of Oracle's headquarters, and if I click on the icon, we can see that Pete declared an accident of type. Let's move that out of the way. Pete declared an incident of type accident here. Estimate damage is 12,000 Polish zlotys, because I'm running this partly in Polish regional settings. So that looks cool. Let's try it again this time. Let's try it again in a browser. So Pete, it'll work with any other name, of course. 1500, and this time it's a flood. My browser, I'm going to authorize My browser has correctly identified my location as being somewhere in the region of Lake Geneva, specifically in Lausanne, and when I click on it, I will see the incident of type flood is declared and the estimate of damage in the marker pop-up window, which can be closed nice and easily. To learn more about how we delivered this cute little mapping, turn to the OPA Hub website, and the link is in the comments. This is Richard saying, have a nice day.